Alright YouTube, here's the latest. It's a 1978 Jeep Wagoneer Limited with a factory 401. It's the first year of the Wagoneer Limited, and the last year you could get a 401. Frame and undercarriage floors are not rusted. Quarter panels and fenders are shot. I'm told the original owners passed away and it sat in a field for like 15 years. And the guy I got it from kind of drug it home and poorly resurrected it. It still needs love. But the powertrain seems extremely healthy. Factory 8-truck. And it seems to work fine. The leather's in great shape. It's dirty. It's not torn up anywhere. I did drive it home the 250 miles. Let's take a look at the engine. Needs some electrical work and possibly a new gas tank. Seems to be rust in the tank. Plugs up fuel filters. Fire it up. None of the gauges work. Speedometer and amp is it, but it hits on all 8, doesn't smoke, doesn't leak at all, which is crazy.